Welcome back to Puzzle Park. Would you rather New Year's edition? I am sure you are going to love it. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button for more brain-busting quizzes. Let's get started. First round is not going to be easy. Would you rather celebrate New Year in USA or celebrate New Year in Paris? Hard to decide. Would you rather enjoy outside party or enjoy inside party? Would you rather wear a fancy dress or wear pajamas? Would you rather gain a new habit or remove a bad habit? Would you rather build a new dream house or visit a dream country? Would you rather invest energy in hard work or focus on enjoyment? Would you rather head to bed early or stay up till midnight? What is your choice? Would you rather get a festive bonus or enjoy a festive holiday? Would you rather spend New Year with family or spend New Year with friends? Would you rather give up fast food for 1 year or give up sugar for 1 year? Would you rather get a dream job or meet the love of life? Which one will you choose? Would you rather follow a strict diet for a month or work out every day for a month? Would you rather go for shopping or spend New Year in house? That's a hard choice. Would you rather celebrate Christmas in the snow or celebrate Christmas in the sun? Would you rather give up Snapchat for 1 year or give up Instagram for 1 year? I can't decide. Would you rather sing nonstop until midnight or dance nonstop until midnight? Would you rather savory or sweet? Would you rather chocolate mousse or chocolate fountain? Tough one. Would you rather receive a $1,000 or receive iPhone? Would you game night with friends or movie night with friends? Would you rather listen to New Year music or watch a New Year movie? Would you rather replace your entire wardrobe or restock on all the newest devices? Would you rather spend $100 on a New Year's party or work on New Year's and make $100? Would you rather donate 10% of your income to a good or volunteer your time for a charity? Would you rather catch up with 5 old friends or party with 50 strangers? Would you rather receive a heels or receive a sneakers? Would you rather have this rooftop part or that rooftop party? Would you rather have this cake or that cake? Would you rather watch fireworks on TV or watch fireworks live? Would you rather bake cookies or decorate cupcakes? Would you rather hot coffee or hot chocolate? That's making me hungry. Both bouquet of flowers are beautiful, but remember, you can only pick one. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel Puzzle Park.